Hello, this is Sarah and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make the paper strawberries with cardstock paper. Please like this video below and subscribe to my channel. You could also find the supplies listed below the video along with the template to cut with your Cricut, Silhouette, or other cutting machines. First, you'll need to cut the strawberry pattern on red cardstock paper and use this detail molding pad with the 2mm fine detail ball tool and draw ovals going along the half circle. I will be linking this tool and the molding pad below. It should look like a rainbow of little oval patterns that are embossing on the red cardstock paper. Next, use the yellow acrylic marker and slightly mark inside the ovals. These will be little seeds. Then make sure that everything is fully dried before moving on. Then use the bigger ball tool and shape along the half circle on the back side, and I also shape each triangle shape as well to slightly curve. I also shape the bottom center area. Next, use white glue along the straight line. There is a straight line and a side that will be jaggedy edges. Then put the jaggedy edge on top of the straight side and it should shape like a cone. You will need to hold it down for a few seconds to let the glue set. Then shape down the corner where the point is for the cone and glue the tip and glue that down. Then use the ball tool and shape the inside so the bottom of the strawberry could round out a little bit. Then I am only gluing the small triangles first, and I add glue on one of the circle edge and gluing the next small triangle in line, attaching the circles together. Then go to the next small triangle in line, and you do want to hold it down as you go to let the glue set. I also used my pliers to hold them down when they got too narrow for my hands. After the small triangles are all glued, start gluing the bigger triangles in order and hold it down as you go. Only for the last triangle, I do use hot glue just to make sure it quickly dries. Next, I use 22 gauge floral wire and loop the end and make the loop perpendicular to the rest of the wire. Then grab the two bottom leaves. One has straight edges and one has jaggedy edges. Poke a hole on the one with a straight edge and string the floral wire and glue the loop end onto the leaf and glue the leaf with jaggedy edges on top, sandwiching the floral wire in between. Then use hot glue and glue the strawberry onto the leaves. Then I use glossy Mod Podge with some gloves and use my hands to add the Mod Podge over the strawberry, trying to not get on the leaves and only to the edge of the strawberry. The next part will be the leaves, and there will be two versions, so you could mix and match, do a variety of different sizes, some smaller than what I suggested and some larger than what I suggested. Add white glue on the bottom piece of the leaves and add floral wire and sandwich them together and hold it down until the glue sets. I will be making a few of these, so make more leaves depending on how many you want. Then floral tape the floral wire and go down the wire and about an inch or so below the leaf. add the second and third leaf to make a little branch. Next will be the little white flowers that grow with the strawberries. First, use tissue paper, and one should be a small piece about the size of my thumb, and the other one is a rectangle of a similar size. You could directly use yellow tissue paper, but I only had white tissue paper, so I'm using a yellow marker and coloring the white tissue paper. I kind of like it this way, so it's a lighter yellow. I also used the same marker and colored the center piece of the flower in the same yellow. And again, you could just use directly the yellow cardstock paper to cut this center fringe, or you can use white and use this marker to color it in like I am. Then ball up the rectangle tissue paper and use white glue to draw a circle around the smaller square piece. Then add your tissue ball in the center and wrap the square tissue paper piece around it like you would wrap a lollipop. Then I cut off the leftover tissue paper so the ball should look like a clean covered tissue ball. Then I used white glue and glue only about an inch or so of the fringe and add the tissue ball and roll the rest of the fringe and glue at the end so it doesn't unravel. Next, cut the flower on white cardstock paper and use the shaping ball to shape all the petals. Then get the tissue ball with the fringe center and open up the fringes gently. Then use hot glue and glue that to the center of the flower. Then get another floral wire and loop the end like we did for the strawberry. And similarly to the strawberry, you will need the bottom leaves, one with straight edges and one with jaggedy edges. But these bottom leaves will need to be a little smaller in size to fit the white flower. Then sandwich the bottom leaves with the floral wire and hot glue those together. Then add your white flower and glue those to the leaves. Then floral tape the floral wire. Next, we'll bring back the strawberry and shape the leaves a little by curling some back and some towards the strawberry. Just make sure it's not sticking straight out like a paper. Then floral tape the floral wire. Then bring the branch of the leaves, the flower, and the strawberry and floral tape it as a bundle and curl over the strawberry where the floral wire is. I made a few more of these bundles with some strawberries that are bigger and some that are a little smaller. For the smaller ones, I also used light green cardstock paper to make a green strawberry. So you could try mixing some different shades of red and include a green strawberry as well. These could be in a little bundle with other paper flowers or just pot them like a plant like I did. I found the perfect little disco ball planter to add these paper strawberries. Please like this video below and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.